Hello class, today we are going to be creating this wonderful circle out of a circle coffee filter bird that we're going to decorate just like we saw the video with the cute spring birds with big eyes that were just hatched that we watched in class. And we're going to be inspired. We're also going to do stippling for feathers, so straight lines like these for feathers to give it lots of lovely texture. So let's do it step by step. First thing, we're going to get our coffee filter and we're going to find the middle of the coffee filter, and I already pre-cut it here. Okay, so I might pre-cut it for kindergarten straight, but you would just cut a straight line going down. And so pause the video if you are doing this along with the video, if you don't have it pre-cut. But we start with a pre-cut shape like this, and then we fold 1/4 over, which was gonna give us the little cute little wing. The wing actually moves this way. And we're gonna just glue this part to the paper. So put enough glue on your coffee filter. I do it from the middle, going out this way, following the paper fold so that I don't wrinkle my paper. And then I will carefully glue it on the paper, construction paper. Now that it's glued, my next step is I am gonna take a little piece of a triangle, cut a little corner of a triangle, that's gonna be my beak, and choose a place for your bird where you think the beak should go. And as simple as that, we created our spring bird. All we're gonna do is all these cute little details. We can use crayons or oil pastels. I'm using oil pastels because they go so quickly. I can actually draw really fast, but you can take your time. You can use crayons. And also, I am using light colors because it's spring, so we're using pastels like yellows, orange, pink, light blues, light greens, nice spring Easter colors. This could be a really nice lesson for an Easter chick because Easter chicks looks like this. I'm gonna give my bird a big eye, really cute big eye, as big as possible. And you can color your bird any way you like. And I'm gonna show you some work of my students. So when I'm gonna ask my students to come over, they're gonna come over one by one and they're gonna show me what they got done in class today. I am creating stippling. My students are nice and quiet right now, and they're gonna show you their artwork really quickly. So I'm working on my feathers, and I'm gonna do 2 lines for the feet and the toes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nice and simple, and little of that texture lines for feathers. If we don't have feathers, the bird will not be able to fly. And give him a little dark center. And you can choose any colors. You can do a rainbow beak or rainbow wing. Any color bird that you like. I know a lot of my students like rainbows. Optionally, we did use a Google eye. Some students had Google eyes. So what you do is just once you paint your eye on, you can also add a little Google eye and glue your Google eye on. And it's just gonna give that extra look to your bird, more realistic. You can also, some of my students also, we were doing feathers on top. So we were cutting the edge like this, creating a feather look. And we added some details. You can do dots, polka dots, all kinds of fun stuff. You can also fray or cut the edges of the wing to give it nice and realistic look to it, if you like that look. And then you can decorate your paper any way that you like. And we are back, and my students have come up with their beautiful birds. Look at these wonderful lines. There's a green bird. This one maybe needs more color, so make sure all the white areas are colored and finished. And each one is original on different back paper. Okay, You get to choose your construction color of paper, and you have your beautiful birds finished. And this one is a rainbow one. And students, did you like the lesson about making the spring birds?
Yeah!
Okay, so that was my class. We are with the first grade class, and I'm gonna show this video to my kindergarten class, and they're gonna try to do such a great job just like my first graders. So your kindergarten class is going to be really impressed, the kindergarten class that will come right after us, to see all these beautiful creations. I'm going to show them this video a couple of times before we get started. Okay. And can't wait to see yours.